Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about the route groups in the Next.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In this app directory, nested folders are normally mapped to the URL paths. However, you can mark a folder as a route group to prevent the folder from being included in the route's URL path. This allows you to organize your route segments and the project files into logical groups without affecting the URL path structure. Route groups are useful for organizing the routes into groups by site section, intent, or the team, enabling nested layouts in the same route segment level, creating multiple nested layouts in the same segment, including multiple route layouts, adding a layout to a subset of the routes in a common segment. So let's check this how we are going to implement the route groups. So basically, let's take a scenario, right? Let's suppose I have a login screen, I have a register screen, and I have a profile screen, right? So I need to create the three folders, right? So what I can do, but here you can see that there is a scenario like three folders we have to create. So it's very a big challenge to the other members who is going to run on the project or work on the project, that structure wise we have a login, then we have a register, then we have a profile. How it gonna be like if we combine them in a route groups? Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Let's have a good dive into the code level. Suppose like in the here you can see I have a blog, I have a contact, I have the dashboard, so it doesn't look good, right, for maintainability, right? So let me close all the right over here. Okay, so first let's suppose we have a new screen or new folder that is auth. Okay, where we are going to make a login, register and the profile, right? So let's create this one, auth. Okay, in the auth, what I have, I will going to create a login. Okay, in the login I need to create a new file that is page.tsx. Okay, in the auth I'm going to create a new folder that is register. Okay, in the register, again I need to create a new file that is page.tsx. Okay, and then the last one, in the auth I'm going to create a new folder, profile, right? Profile, and again in this I'm going to create page.tsx. Okay, and I will take any kind of tsx file over here. In this login I will create a hello login page. Okay, and let's go with the register profile also. This is profile page. Okay, and in the register, this is register page, right? Three routes. Okay, so you can see in the auth how we can assess these routes. Let's run the server, npm run dev. Okay, let's open the link. So how I will assess? Auth slash login. Okay, hello, this is login page. Auth slash register, right? Auth slash profile. But from the website point of view, I don't like the auth. Okay, I want to remove that auth. That the role of the route groups will come over here, right? So to remove the URL without affecting, here you can see that the definition, what I said, that this allows to organize your route segments and the projects file into logical groups without affecting the URL path structure. So currently URL path structure is affecting. So what I can do, a route group can be created by wrapping a folder's name in parentheses. This like this. Okay. So it will not include the auth and the rest of the things will go on. Okay. So let's do it. So here we have the auth. Let's rename this and make the parentheses like this. Okay, this is done and the server is restarted automatically. This says that the page not found because auth will not include right now. And now the thing is profile page, register page. Okay, it looks nice also, right? You can see, and log in. So the code is organized. Here you can see auth have all the things: login, profile, register, without including the auth into your current URL, right? So this is the how you can utilize the route groups into your Next.js application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.